In his climb to success in his profession as a pharmacist, Manny Goldberg has always remained in touch with his patients, customers, and Creighton University. Born and raised on a farm northwest of Omaha, Manny remembers a family member urging him to pursue pharmacy as a profession. Not only is pharmacy an honorable profession, he was told, but Manny would have job security. And importantly, he could help people. Manny was admitted to the Creighton pharmacy program, and he worked as many as 3 part-time jobs at one time in order for him to remain in the pharmacy program. His love of pharmacy as a profession grew with the mentoring he received from the School of Pharmacy. So too did his appreciation of ethical standards and commitment to service that Creighton instilled. Most of all, Manny learned from his pharmacy patients and customers. He found his calling and his ability to help people improve their health through one-on-one counseling. This, he says, is God's work. Graduating in 1955, he opened his first pharmacy a year later, which was tiny by today's standards, at 24th and Leavenworth. He followed that by the first Keystone Pharmacy at 73rd and Maple Streets, which doubled in size within 4 years. The budding pharmacy entrepreneur then was inspired to look beyond the city limits for practice opportunities. And thanks to the urging of a friend, a fellow businessman who went on to found the Pomida Corporation, Manny then opened a pharmacy in Missouri Valley, Iowa. And within 5 years, a dozen other Keystone Medicine Chest pharmacies could be found in rural communities, as his pharmacy operations grew to 16 pharmacies at its height. As his pharmacy practice and business grew, Manny became increasingly involved in his profession. He helped found and serve as president of the Nebraska Pharmacy Network, helping to keep the playing field level for small pharmacy owners in the shadow of bigger corporate entities. Manny joined the National Association of Chain Drug Stores and served on its board of directors, and then served as the advisory boards to both Creighton University School of Pharmacy and the University of Nebraska College of Pharmacy. Manny became enthralled with the idea of distance learning as a way to combat the shortage of pharmacy practitioners in Nebraska and the nation. His interests included expanding access to pharmacy education to qualified students. He advocated tirelessly for Creighton, and as a result, the school received a $1 million grant from the Community Pharmacy Foundation to build the nation's first distance learning pathway for pharmacy education. The first distance students graduated in 2005. This unique pathway is a model for distance education in the health sciences. Currently, some 250 students are enrolled in Creighton's distance pharmacy pathway, and has been a model for the school's occupational therapy distance program offered in association with the University of Alaska at Anchorage. Manny Goldberg has sold his pharmacies that he and his wife Carol started, and now confines his work to his medical equipment store on the site of that first pharmacy, Keystone Pharmacy at 73rd and Maple. He credits Carol and Creighton for his success. Creighton credits him for his loyalty and his leadership to his school, his profession, and the School of Pharmacy and Health Professions is pleased and proud to present to Manny Goldberg, pharmacy graduate of 1955, the Distinguished Alumni Service Citation on this 14th day of May, 2010.